guys, we're Mike and Kathleen of woodshopmike.com, and today we are throwing it down in the shop for our very first scrap wood tool challenge.
We've both thought of projects to make using only scrap materials and the tools on hand in the shop. We'll post the results to Instagram and you get to vote to see who wins.
So before we get started, we've got to review the rules.
Alright.
Rule number 1, no help from each other except for safety. Rule number 2, projects should take no more than 30 minutes, but don't rush with tools. Rule number 3, no cuts, no butts, no coconuts. And if that doesn't make any sense to you, you watch far too little Wreck-It Ralph, the first one. We haven't seen the second one.
Alright, so now let's take a look at what we'll be making.
I'm going to be making votive holders with these gorgeous pieces of maple.
And walnut. Held walnut.
And walnut, look at that.
How about it?
And it's spalted. They're spalted, y'all.
I'm going to be making something that uses old Romex, some magnets, and a chunk of poplar.
Should we call you MacGyver?
You can call me whatever you want to.
Okay.
Alright.
Now, I think we're going to need a little something to make this more interesting. So, if I win, Mike, you have to wear my pink hat. It's about this color pink.
Alright.
In every story you do.
I just won't do any stories.
For an entire day. No, you have to do stories. Maybe in public places.
Alright. Okay. So, if I win, then you have to do stories tomorrow wearing my old ratty overalls.
Deal.
Should we shake on it? Alright.
May the best tool person win. So you know, Mike's got like 5 minutes left. I've been done for like 10. Alright, so let's see what we made. 2 votive candle holders, very rustic in quality. Awesome for a centerpiece on a table, or a mantle, or a buffet.
Alright.
You pick.
Alright, I get it. So, I made a little helper, and he has an epoxy resin heart. And
It was an accident.
No, I looked through the scrap pile and I was like, epoxy. I get credit and I don't even have to do it.
Yeah, but mine smells like vanilla.
Well, good for you.
So that's got to count for something.
Alright, well, my guy's legs move.
You can set mine on fire.
You can set him on fire
Once.
once.
Alright, so you've got to be the judge. Hop onto stories. Let us know what you think. Do the votive holders win? Or the little helper?
Alright,
Thanks for watching, and until next time, have fun making something.
I'll see you.
Should we get started?
Let's do it.
We're so dumb.
So, high five or...
Okay.
And just smack you on the butt and walk away?
No. May the best wood shop miker win. Very first scrap wood tool challenge.
Was I supposed to say something?
Yeah, you're next.
It's my turn to talk about my project, okay? And that's actually all I have.
Alright. Alright, so.
Yep, that's right.
So this